Hey guys.
Oh!
Okay. We got cameraman, as you can see here.
No!
You guys know we love trespassing, so right there it says King Outdoor Rink closed. Oh shit, we just gave away our location.
Get this jump.
Yeah, guys, we don't live in King City, but see, no trespassing. A quick jump. Yeah, we don't have that yellow car anymore. This car is way better. So guys, right here, no trespassing. We're gonna be going in there later. And yeah, cause look, it's all ice. And down there is a skate park, so you know what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh. Okay, here, cameraman Bobby Joe.
What do you guys say?
Why are you filming my face? Okay, guys, watch this jump here. Yeah, so this car is way better than that yellow one I had in the other video. There's a camera right there. Throws it right in front of the camera. Okay, as you can see, a big jump right there. Yeah, it's pretty big. Ready, guys? Oh my, okay, I failed. Take two. Oh, let's go. Ethan, I have to agree, you're the shittiest cameraman ever. What the hell are you doing? Film the thing properly. Oh, look at those shots.
Ethan, that's not the shot. What are you doing, Joe Bob?
This man. Watch these moves.
Here, Julian, I'll catch it. Red. Oh, yeah, let me try.
Oh shit.
Oh. I'm amazing.
Oh shit.
Don't press the gas. Go up. Oh, Julian, go around and come up, okay? Come up.
Get those epic cinematics there.
Guys.
Turn on,
Cause
there's too much grip, that's why. Some drift action, the ice is back in business here, it's all frozen. Yeah, they're gonna get pissed if they come out, guys. We're like taking some risks here. Not big ones, but
We are taking some risks.
this is technically, well, it is trespassing.
This is really dangerous. We can get like
Oh shit, oh shit.
We can't get a $10,000. We can get like a 500.
Well, for being together for COVID, that's apparently, if you're in the house, it's like a $20,000 fine.
5 people, or like 5-10 people. Inside, it's you only your family.
Oh shit. You gotta pull me now. Let me hold on to the back. My face. Oh, full of water now.
shit, cough. What? Cough, I'm serious.
When?
Get down.
No.
You're lying.
I'm just standing here, I'm all wet, and you're saying cough. Some maintenance
Collateral
issues.
damage right here.
Someone!
Oh shit, no, actually someone.
Where?
Right now.
What do you...
Just throw me out.
What's going on now? Is there actually someone? Well, I'm just gonna act casual here.
Oh my god, this guy's useless. Why don't we bring him? Just
Don't grab the tire.
Julie, put him back on sale for eBay.
Guys, if you want a free cameraman, look on eBay. He actually has to pay you to film.
What?
That's the motto.
Oh no, people coming. There's
Where?
a car over there.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Go, Ethan. Go, you fat person.
Hi, how are you?
No. You're stuck. No.
Okay guys, in a situation like this, if the cops are chasing you, just stay calm like I am right now, okay? Just take your time. This fence isn't moving, but it's all good, you know? It's like, hold the fence like... So, if, this isn't even the camera. The cameraman, what the hell is the cameraman doing? We gotta make it look like nobody came here though. Get the hell, let's get that thing off my face.
Yeah, nobody came here. Mark's there.
Shut up.
Wait, guys, no one came here. Do you see the mark?
Look at that. Nobody will come in here now.
I don't think it was straight like that.
Oh shit, I don't think that looked like that either.
Oh no. Nice artworks.
Wonderful.
Okay guys, the bicycle boys here. We're gonna go charge us. They have cameras everywhere. They do not call the cops because they have cameras. They probably got it. Now
There was a camera. There's a camera on the side.
Look, guys, the bicycle boys. Can you shut up? We're trying to do the outro. Okay, guys, it's the bicycle boys here. Signing out till another video. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Subscribe.
This outro is taking 20 minutes long here.
How do you shut this thing off?